420 Things Grow in Ontario. Welcome back, guys, to the channel. This is another unboxing. Oh, that fake unboxing weren't there. Yeah, it was already cut up because I had something else in here. But another pH pen. This is the Apera instruments. Fluid precision since 1991. I'll put a link for this in the description. This was a little bit cheaper than the Blue Lab. Okay, but look at this. This is what I was talking about. I was talking about the Blue Lab one. This one has a few things. Okay, one of these things is that this probe over here at the end is replaceable. I don't know how replaceable it is on the Blue Lab, but it is what it is. Calibration bottle. This is kind of handy. Soaking solution. I wonder what that soaking solution is. Bet you I'm gonna have to soak this, but look at it. In the box, it already looks like there is some moisture in there. So yeah. So look, there's some 7 and there's some 4. Now that's cool. Look at it, came in a little ball like that. I can add it in there and then put that tip in here. I could probably get several calibrations out of this. One that came with the Blue Lab is a little bit different, right? So having questions, we're here to help. There's a 1614 number. Some stuff here. Also, a little bit more that comes with this thing right here. This is a laminated little card here. It takes 4 AA batteries. It's telling you some steps here. PH60C. So I'm going to do some more research on this. I'm going to try them out. I'm going to test them. And yeah, I don't really know which one's going to be best up to par here, but and which one's going to be my liking. But it seems like this one comes with a lot more cooler stuff. That doesn't mean, you know, that it's cooler. So, but I think it had quite a bit of reviews on it. I'm going to do that right now in my phone. 4.5 stars, 670 reviews. And if we look at the Blue Lab one, now this is obviously just on Amazon's site, right? These are just Amazon numbers of what you know, people did. But if you look here, the Blue Lab one, 4 stars and only half the amount of purchases. So I'm gonna get these out. I'll read the instructions on this, I'm assuming. So I guess that's about all it is on the unboxing. I'll get back to, what is this? Oh, little thing here, little thing. Oh yeah, because there is a different type of probe here you could have, and I guess that's what it is. But just on the box and the packaging alone, this one looks a lot cooler. Doesn't mean that it is, but again, it does look like that. So I'm going to shut this down now and be on the lookout for a comparison side by side. I'll do another video side by side of both pens, or all 3 pens, alright? May all your gardens be green. Like, subscribe, do all that jazz.